Hello, this is a short tutorial on how the Logobox design and calculator tool for printing works on the real web shop. It is a Ukrainian localization, so I will explain in English very shortly. At the product page, this is a typical mug, typical cup, you could see the calculator icons that allow you to design, to add the logo or any image you want to the item and show how it will look like in 3D, and also it helps you choose and calculate the price of the printing online. You could see here the stock, reserves and planned delivery, not yet available. Okay, if you are logged in, you have the access to the calculation and design. Click on the calculator button and you see the new window pop up with three main sections. The first section is choose of the printing type, exact. So the second section is the visualization, and the third is additional section for, if possible, vector files or links or comments. I'll explain it later. So here you could choose different types of printing. For this one is available to classical decal and hot cold decal with the appropriate square colors and duplications if available, if you want to make some similar pictures on different sides. Okay, let's choose classical deco, full, and for example 5 colors, 6, should be 6. If you need the additional printing on the same item, choose add additional one. It will show you the available printing types. If it is not required, okay, delete, simple. If you are satisfied with the section 1, it is ok, so start with section 2. It is a visualization, which allows you to see in real time how it will look like your design with your logo, photo or any image. Okay, let's start to add something specific. If you can see, it is two options. You could move any of them, active window and initial image behind it, so you could see any changes you make in here. You could see immediately on the resulting model. It is not limited on moving. It could be flipped differently as you want. It could be turned, for example, 45 degrees. Okay, you could scale in any section. This area is scaled manually. The initial image scaling by pressing the buttons. If you are not satisfied what you have now, you could go to the 0 point and start from the initial position. Imagine we made something very good, very interesting. Okay, choose this one. Okay, you are satisfied how it looks like on your item. At this moment we could two additional not obligatory options to save the JPEG image, so it will be small screen of this 3 model on the view you are putting it, and additional to record the short video of the 360 degree turn it will require you from 1 to 4 minutes to wait. So, and at least mid-level laptop, it's on the very old laptops or PC, it will be longer. Okay, from the visualization we could say no problem, we are satisfied with it. At this point we could create the mockup with a PDF file with a 3-side view and appropriate grid that shows the real size of the model and the printing. So okay, we will create the mockup created. If we need some additional files, vector files, or to leave the link to the files stored anywhere for the designer or for the production, we could upload or leave the link and add any comment you want. The preparation of the designing and the choosing is ready. We are clicking the save our selections and okay. Here you could see the edit printing with the link to the initial file we uploaded and PDF mockup with the 3-side view. Our view, we leave it at the model, and 3-side view. This file could be sent to directly to the production to see how your printing should be applied to the item. Now we still have no pricing because we didn't choose the amount of the items we would like to print. Okay, let's choose 200. System now recalculated it, is ready to add it to the basket. Okay, let's start. Add to basket and see the price. Yes, we have a final price with items price and printing price. Just a little bit. Okay. You could see that all the data of the printing are transferred here directly, and you have the different price for items, printings, and total sum, including your discounts if you have it. At this stage, if we need to change the amount, for example, we decide that 200 it's not enough, we would like to make it 455, just change the quantity, press enter, and the digit will be recalculated, but the initial data of the printing will be the same. After that, we are clicking send the order and waiting the call or letter from your manager. Thank you.